Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to my channel, please, guys, do me a favor. I'm saying, do me a favor by clicking on that subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel, like, share, also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. Do not also forget to follow me on Telegram. I'll put a link to my Telegram channel in the comment section. On that Telegram channel, I'll be sharing out tons of information about this forex market. Information that will move on the forex market, that will affect the forex market. I'll be sharing out information on it, so you would want to be updated, right? So follow me on Telegram. So now start with this movement on GBP to JPY. I mean, first, we all know what happened on this JPY, GBP JPY. One of the reasons was that JPY actually dropped. JPY fell, due to the kind of like the monetary policy statements and everything that happened on Friday. And we also saw that interest rate was still left at negative 0.1, if I'm not wrong. So that is why JPY dropped. So once you see that JPY dropped, every other pairs to our JPY actually gave us a bullish move. So you can see it on USD JPY, there was a massive bullish move. CAD JPY, massive bullish move. Swiss franc JPY, massive bullish move. So this GBP JPY, I mean, take a look at it. This was on Friday, right? If I'm not wrong, this was about 300 pips. Yeah, 400 pips. You can see crazy movements that happened on GBPJPY, and I was one of those that actually was watching out for this level on GBP to JPY. I was watching out for this level. I knew there was a movement, and what I was watching out for was around a level of 168 and a level of 169. You can see the level. I still have the level here. I've not touched it. This was the two level I was watching out for on Friday. GBP to JPY to come to hit a level of 168. If in case it breaks out of a level of 168, we should hit a level of 169. But currently, price even broke above my expectation, hits a level of 171. Crazy, right? So let's see what will happen this week on GBPJPY. So we should be very, very careful because a fall might be coming anytime soon and might be crazy. But before that fall will come, or before I would expect that fall, I would want to see that fall hit a level of 172. So currently we are trading at 171. I would expect GBP to JPY give us a bullish move, hit a level of 172. Maybe then kind of like a fall of like a correction or a pullback or a massive or a small, anyone, we would want to first of all hit a level of 172. Then we should now start expecting a drop on GBP, JPY. So that is what I'll be watching out for. So, like I said, a fall is going to be coming anytime soon. So be very, very careful, especially if you still want to go long or if you still have your position. I'll just tell you, start securing at least 70% of your profits because a drop will be coming anytime soon and you will not want to get stopped out, right? So let's watch out for it. So GBP, JPY, let's hit a level of 172, then you can now start watching for a drop.